guys, so I've just touched down in Dalaman airport. Today we are in Turkey. So unlike some of the last holidays, this is not a day trip, this is actually a 5-day holiday. I haven't actually planned anything, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. I have my transfer booked from here to my apartment. See you guys when I get to my transfer. So they have a TV at the front of the car and it's connected to the TV at the back. So I'm in my transfer and I am in love. Guys, I have finally made it to my apartment. I'm just walking with the guy to get to my transfer. Oh, look at the pole in the back here. I'm just walking with the guy to get to my apartment. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. So guys, just a quick update from yesterday. So yesterday, as you saw, I got to my apartment, but I didn't like it. I wasn't happy. It was dirty. It wasn't so clean. So in the morning, I went for a walk and I found this amazing tour company. I'm gonna put a link right here. And yeah, they were amazing. They sorted out a new hotel for me. They sorted out tours because I literally had nothing planned. So I'm super excited to show you what I'm gonna do next. I'm on my way to my first tour. Now we are at the dockyard. Guys, it's so pretty, like the water, the boats. Let me show you the view. Which were absolutely amazing. As you saw from the panoramic views, it was so beautiful, and I took some dope pictures. I might insert one here and here. So, and if you want to see the rest of them, just go on my Instagram or my new Facebook page, Miss Garn Again. That is going to have a lot of cheap flight deals, cheap holiday deals, and dope pictures, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, now I'm off to go and get dinner. See you at Dindin's. So guys, I have a dilemma. The place I wanted to go to was the fish market, and then at the fish market you basically pick out your fish and then go to the restaurant and they cook it for you. The problem with that is I got here so late, it's 10 to 11, there's no fish out anymore. So I'm thinking to just pop to like McDonald's or Burger King. However, the nearest McDonald's is 10 minutes away and it's 10 minutes till it closes. So I'm gonna try and walk there. Guys, we'll see if I make it or not. I made it with 6 minutes to spare. I'm not even refilming it, as in you must see what you saw from McDonald's. And I can show you guys what I purchased. Oh my gosh. My bum destroyed whatever. I'm gonna do a little mukbang. Y'all know what a mukbang is? A mukbang is where you eat and you talk. To be honest, I haven't got a topic. Well, let's start off with the chips are cold. Try the mukbangs. See what they're saying. These are actually nice. Some mozzarella dips. That mozzarella dipper is dead. Oh my, no. Guys, let me show you. There is sweet corn in it. We had a double McChicken burger with cheese. Proper things, yummy. Anyway, see y'all later. See y'all tomorrow. Bye. So guys, welcome to day 2 of my Turkey vlog. So I'm literally, as you can see, just leaving my hotel now, on my way to meet my transfer for Tia's lovers. travel agency, the one that I went with yesterday, and we are going on another day trip. So I will vlog and see you when I get there. Quick shoe change because the picture that I'm about to try and collect is a serious picture. Okay. I've come to realize I'm actually crazy. Like, I'm actually risking my whole life for a photo, but it's pretty though. Come too far from where I started from. So guys, I'm butterfly valley, and as you can see, I had a little casualty because I decided that I wanted to climb the rocks, literally the dangerous rocks, to take my picture on. It was amazing, and I love the adrenaline rush. You're probably gonna think I'm mad. I don't know if that it caught on the footage, but it was lit though.
Yeah. Feel up. Life gets heavier than a ton of ways. It ain't never been sweet like funnel cake. So much stress and pressure, wish you could run away. Quick, fast, in a hurry like underlay.
Welcome to day 4 of my travel vlog. So you're probably wondering, what happened on day 3? Well, on day 3 I actually went to Pamukkale, and I'm doing a separate vlog for that, so make sure you check that out. All the links will be in the description. I'll probably put that one up after this one. Day 2 was absolutely amazing. As you saw, we went to Butterfly Valley, we went to the ghost town. That was super duper dope. I've got loads of pictures of that, so make sure you check my Instagram or my Facebook page. Once again, links will be in the description. And today I am going to be going to a really nice restaurant. I'm going to actually show you the hotel that I've been staying at and my room, because it's amazing, and I need to hook you guys up on £17 per night. Hello, talk to my darling. Gotta save their money, honey. And yeah, I'll see you guys at lunch. So at the fish market, you pick out your fish fresh that day, pay for your fish, then for only 9 lira, which is about £1.30, they'll cook it for you, give you free bread and free salad. Today is day 5 and my last day in Fethiye, so I asked my driver to stop off at a nearby town called GÖCEK. So guys, I was going to end my vlog, but I actually have to give you an update. So I get to the airport and they're basically charging everyone for going over their hand luggage limit, which is 6 kg. I was on 11 kg and they charged £65 cash, either euros or pounds, for you to pay for it. So instead, I used the trick and I upgraded my flight for £54, which means I get to bring the extra luggage, I get a better seat, I get a meal on the plane, and priority boarding. So guys, be aware of that. Anyway, thank you for watching my vlog. See you guys later.